So, PF Cantico's Big Summer Sale starts today online and in stores. This is perfect because I actually need a restock on a few of my favorite summer scents from them, and I'm bringing you along for a quick ride, and we'll meet back here in my place to have a conversation on my current favorite summer scents from PF Cantico. Let's go. Okay, the bag has been secured. This is very exciting because one, I got new items from PF Cantico. It's never a bad day when you get fresh scents from PF. I even have a couple items of different scent variations that I've never tried before that I'm going to tell you about in a moment. And two, PF is currently having their huge summer sale starting today, July 14th, all the way up until the 18th. Everything is currently on sale for 20 to 40% off online and in stores. I figured, since I haven't been to the store in a while, I would take a nice drive to go do one of my favorite things. Buy some home fragrances, of course. This sale was the perfect excuse for me to indulge in one of my favorite candle brands. My love for this brand runs deep. I had a stern conversation with my credit card and told it everything will be okay. Just take one more hit for the team. It's for the greater good.
We are talking about the greater good!
Greater good? I am your wife. I'm the greatest good you are ever gonna get.
So what did I get from PF Cantico? What are my current favorite summer scents from them? Teakwood and tobacco, for one, is most definitely a staple for PF, and it's also a fan favorite of so many, including me. Having this scent in the living room is everything during a nice warm evening in the summertime. You know, when you have the windows open to let in that nice warm breeze while you're relaxing watching your favorite show or movie with your favorite person. Now, that whole ambiance is the perfect description for teakwood and tobacco. I love this scent so much that I now have it in 4 different variations. The candle, of course, I always keep a couple of them around. The reed diffuser, the hand wash, and the car fragrance that I'm currently using in my car at the moment. Teakwood and tobacco is perfect for when you want a smooth, subtle, woody scent that burns clean. It features notes of deep teakwood, some leather, black pepper, tobacco, and hints of fresh orange. This is a woody, masculine scent in my opinion. It's perfect for a boyfriend, husband, or anyone that loves a rich, woody scent. Fun fact, this scent was actually my introduction to the PF Cantico brand. I got it as a gift and now look at me. I can't get enough of them. The different variations of teakwood and tobacco are exactly the same in terms of how the scent smells, which is a great thing. You won't smell any difference in scent from the fragrance from the candle to the diffuser, for example. It's the same across the board. The candle variant of teakwood and tobacco is a subtle performer. It's not trying to strangle you with fragrance or bring tears to your eyes. The scent is just enough to let you know it's there. That's actually a perfect description. Just enough to let you know it's there. The hot throw for the standard size is perfect for a small room or medium-sized living room if you're sitting close by it. I also have the large 12.5 ounce size that'll perform a little better since it'll be burning for a longer time. Like I said, perfect for when it's sitting on a coffee table in your living room while you're on a couch, which is usually close to the coffee table depending on how big your living room is. The large size is better for a medium-sized room. Still subtle, but just enough to let you know it's there. With this teakwood and tobacco reed diffuser, I'm thinking about putting it in rotation with the other diffusers I use in my bedroom. I don't normally have candles burning in the bedroom because I don't spend a lot of my time in there during the day. So a reed diffuser is perfect for that type of situation when I still want a burst of fragrance when I walk in there. Unless I'm in there lounging, then I would have a candle burning where I can keep an eye on it. I have a few PF diffusers and they're all perfect for medium-sized spaces. As long as you're flipping or switching out the reeds, it'll continue to give the room burst of scent. Diffusers are pretty much straightforward and the teakwood teakwood and tobacco scent makes for a really nice diffuser. The car fragrance version is straightforward as well. PF's car fragrances are definitely a step up from those tree fragrances we all had at one point in time. I dislike hanging things from my rearview mirror, so I just keep it on my steering column stock. It still provides the exact same performance. This is my first time trying out these car fragrances as well. I love my car to smell amazing at all times, so I'm curious to see how well it would do. So far so good, I have to say. As soon as I took it out the pack, the smell of teakwood and tobacco engulfed the entire car. In a good way, of course. And soon after, it tones down, becoming this smooth, masculine, woody scent that I know teakwood and tobacco to be. A quick hack to these fresheners is that you can also put them in a closet, dresser, linen closet, duffel bag, pretty much any small space where you want it to smell a little better. Just cut off a portion of the pouch to control the strength of the scent. These car fragrances are said to last between 3 to 6 weeks depending on usage, which is expected. And the compliments I've been getting on this car fragrance makes me feel a little good about life's choices. It makes me drive my car with the utmost confidence.
What can I say? Look, cough.
Now, PF's hand and body wash is something else. It's a beautifully well-made soap. The quality is all there. Even though you can use this as a body wash, I exclusively use it as a hand wash in my bathroom and kitchen. The first time I ever used this soap, I remember it being one of the smoothest soaps I've ever used. I had to stop washing my hands for a moment because the scent was that good. You know when you hear an amazing beat to a song, you make that face? You know, the face. That's how I was in that moment. I take my soap seriously, and this, it's a good one. It also comes in this thick glass bottle which adds this luxury feel to it, and the soap, it glides onto the skin with no effort. I often find myself overwashing my hands because of the experience it gives with the quality of the soap combined with the smell. Your guest will also fall in love with it as well. Now, when you get that official stamp of approval from your guest, then you know you're onto something. It also shows that you care about the details of your home. Oh, and I didn't even mention one of the best parts. You can buy refills. That's something you rarely see with luxury brands. And the refills are 16 ounces, so it's good for 2 refills. Definitely something to keep in mind if you don't like repurchasing a new soap bottle every time. So we all know how much I love the teakwood and tobacco scent for the summer. Now, let's get into one of PF's heavy hitters. The electric surf scent is just a mesmerizing fragrance. It's one of 3 candles from the limited edition Soft Focus collection. I made an entire review video going over all 3 candles in detail, so I will have that video linked in the description if you want to know more about the other 2 candles, Canyon Hideaway and Citrus Days. The electric surf scent is my favorite from that collection. That deep ozonic aroma never ceases to amaze me. I remember when I first smelled this at the launch of the collection, I was taken aback because I haven't smelled anything quite like this coming from PF. It's like they threw everything in a pot on this collection. You want a new scent? Throw it in a pot. You want a different vessel? Throw it in a pot. Oh, and did I hear you say something about stronger scent performance? Throw it in a pot. Needless to say, PF definitely came through on the Soft Focus collection. Electric Surf is a very ozonic focused scent. And now that I've been through a couple of these, I want to elaborate a little more on the scent. For one, I didn't realize just how ozonic heavy this fragrance is. Those marine-like qualities you get in this really stands out with the notes of sea minerals, kelp, ocean salt, and a beautiful coastal jasmine. I really pick up the mix of ocean salt and jasmine more than anything. This is a very salty ozonic scent that comes off as crisp as you get with strong citrus candles, maybe lemon or bergamot. And mixed with jasmine, it makes the scent even better. I got it. Imagine lightning in a candle. If lightning had a smell, this is what I imagine it to smell like. It's electric, simply as the name implies.
It's electric.
The cold throw is moderate, but the hot throw is strong. If you're looking for a stronger PF candle, this collection is it. If you want to know more about the other 2 scents, be sure to check out the full review. I just wanted to reiterate my love for this with more of my thoughts. Yeah, it's still my favorite from Soft Focus and great for a warm summer's day, maybe right after a rainfall. My last pickup was a fairly new release from PF as well that turned into one of my favorite scents for the warmer spring and summer months. I believe I mentioned it in my spring candle video where I butchered the name of the Ojai Lavender Candle. Ojai is actually a city in California, so thanks to the person who called me out on it and told me, I'm still new here. I have to make sure I pronounce it correctly in this video. Ojai Lavender is still a candle I've been utilizing since spring. I mostly keep it in my bathroom because of the rich lavender aroma it provides, but I occasionally will have it in my kitchen as well. Bathrooms tend to be an enclosed space, so the performance from the hot throw is great. It also performs a little better in medium-sized rooms thanks to the vibrant notes it has. If you enjoy the smell of rich lavender, you'll enjoy this, which is in great company of other incredible notes. Bergamot, orange, and eucalyptus in the top notes keep the scent fresh and crisp. Floral notes of rose, lily, and lavender occupy the mid notes. I don't pick up the scent of rose and lily since this is heavily based on lavender. You know those days when you clean your place, it's smelling fresh, the windows are open, the music is playing, life is good?
Life is good. You know what I mean?
That's exactly how Ojai Lavender smells. It has that exact clean, fresh nuance that I'm drawn to. And for the first time, I actually have the scent in the diffuser version as well. It's definitely going on rotation between the bathroom and kitchen. I'm really looking forward to that. This PF Canico sale is a golden opportunity to pick up some amazing scents to try. You know, maybe pick up a few scents for the upcoming fall season as well, while you're at it. Or it can make a perfect gift. PF is one of my favorite brands for a reason. Brand identity is top-notch with a sustainable focus. They're also big supporters of the Detailed Dream channel, which still amazes me. Almost feels like a dream. Anyways, links to everything that I mentioned will be in the description. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one.